In today's video, we will see how to cancel the GTA Plus after pre-ordering GTA 6. Stop subscription on PS5 and Xbox. So first, how to cancel the GTA Plus after the pre-ordering GTA 6. To cancel the GTA Plus subscription bundle with your GTA 6 pre-order and avoid future recurring charges, you must manually disable the auto renewal settings through your console account management dashboard. Because the free month promotion automatically activates a recurring billing cycle, completing the cancellation immediately ensure you retain access to your promotional benefit for the full duration of the first billing window without being billed next month. Now the first one, how to cancel on PlayStation 5. So depending on your region and recent dashboard update, the cancellation option will be located in one of two places under your account setting. The method 1, standard subscription menu. Navigate to the console setting, the COG wheel from the main dashboard. Now go to user and account, then click on accounts. Now select payment and subscription and click on subscription. Now locate GTA Plus, then press the option or selection buttons and click cancel subscription. Method 2, alternate games/service menu. If GTA Plus does not appear under the basic subscription tab, PlayStation frequently route in-game MMO membership elsewhere. So head to settings, then click on user and accounts, now payment and subscription. Now scroll to the bottom and select game and app services. Now scroll through your list of games to find and select GTA 5 or GTA Grand Theft Auto 6. Now select the active GTA Plus service, enter and toggle off the auto renewal. The second one is how to cancel on Xbox Series XS. So the Xbox structure all software, subscription and gaming tier passes under a unified management portal. So press the Xbox button on the controller to open the guide layout. Then navigate to profile and system, then click on setting. Now select account from the left side vertical panel and choose subscription. Then highlight your the GTA Plus membership from the menu checklist and click it. Now select cancel subscription or choose turn off recurring billing and follow the on-screen confirmation. The third one, alternate method, cancel via desktop web browser. If you prefer not to use console menus, you can easily log into the account database directly using a computer or phone browser. For PlayStation users, log in at the PlayStation Store or Sony account management portal. Navigate to the subscription site tab and click cancel under the GTA Plus card. For Xbox users, go to the Microsoft account service portal. Sign in with the gamer tag used for the pre-order. Locate GTA Plus under your service tag. Then click manage and disable the recurring billing. So, goodbye and thanks for watching.